Hello, it is Thursday, August 11th, with the rain finally giving way to an extended dry spell here in Seoul. I'm Alex Jensen, and these are your latest daily headlines. South Korea and China may be on another collision course over the deployment of the American THAAD missile defense system in the south, as Seoul and Beijing showed differing stances Wednesday, a day after 5 hours of talks between their foreign ministers. A spokesperson for Beijing's foreign ministry said South Korea had pledged to limit the operation of THAAD, in addition to continuing the previous Moon Jae-in government's three no's principle of no additional THAAD deployment in Korea, no participation in a US-led missile defense network, and no involvement in a trilateral military alliance with Japan. But Seoul's Foreign Minister Park Jin told reporters when heading back from China that he'd made clear there was neither an agreement nor a promise with China on THAAD, saying he clarified that the system is a means for self-defense against North Korean threats. The THAAD issue's been a thorn in Seoul-Beijing ties for years, with China using economic sanctions to retaliate against South Korea. North Korean leader Kim Jong-un's declared victory in his country's battle against COVID-19, which peaked at nearly 400,000 suspected daily infections in mid-May. According to state media Thursday, Kim made the announcement during a national meeting on anti-epidemic measures, while also lowering the North's maximum emergency measures to normal. But his sister Kim Yo-jong, also a senior Workers' Party official, threatened South Korea with a deadly retaliatory countermeasure if the South foments the inroads of the virus into North Korea. She reiterated the claim that alien things from the South had carried COVID-19 across the inter-Korean border, alluding to materials that North Korean defector groups send to the North via balloons. As South Korea continues to count the devastation of this week's heavy rains and flooding, one of two Seoul residents who went missing after being sucked into a manhole early this week has been found, according to rescue officials Wednesday. With pressure apparently forcing open the manhole's cover, the man in his 40s disappeared along with his older sister on Monday night. His body was found 1.5 kilometers from where they'd gone missing in Seoul's Seocho district. As of Thursday morning, they were among 19 people confirmed dead or missing in the aftermath of the heaviest rainfall to hit the capital in 115 years. So that wraps up your latest daily headlines. We'd love to share more of our content with you at your convenience, so do subscribe to Korea Now, and you can check out that link shown on your screen if you want to find Korea-related breaking news or feature-length stories whenever you want to.